Tezos value equivalent to 27.68 and 14 rands a coin. The present cost range 27.40, 21.29 at 839. The earlier day close 29.77. The change was 140, 490%. Converse rate ZAR to XTZ. Tezos cost expectation for July 2024. To start with, cost at 45.92 rands. Exorbitant cost 57 USD, while low cost 45.92. The found the middle value of cost 50.53. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 53.17, change for July 16%. Tezos estimate for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at 53.27 rands. Exorbitant cost 63.09, while low cost 53.27. The found the middle value of cost 57.15. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 58.96, change for August 10.7%. Tezos cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost, cost at 58.96 rands. Exorbitant cost 69.10, while low cost 58.96. The found the middle value of cost 62.90. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 64.58, change for September 9.5%. Tezos gauge for October 2024. In the first place, cost at 64.58 rands. Exorbitant cost 68.63, while low cost 59.65. The found the middle value of cost 64.25. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 64.14, change for October's 7%. Tezos cost expectation for November 2024. In the first place, cost at 64.14 rands. Exorbitant cost 64.14, while low cost 52.69. The found the middle value of cost 59.41. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 56.66, change for November 7%. Tezos gauge for December 2024. In the first place, cost at 56.66 rands. Excessive cost 58.95, while low cost 51.23. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 55.48. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 55.09, change for December 8%. Tezos cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset, cost at 55.09 rands. Excessive cost 59.85, while low cost 52.01. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 55.72. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 55.93, change for January 5%. Tezos conjecture for February 2025. At the outset, cost at 55.93 rands. Excessive cost 58.36, while low cost 50.72. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 54.89. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 54.54, change for February 5%. Tezos cost expectation for Walk 2025. At the outset, cost at 54.54 rands. Excessive cost 54.54, while low cost 46.61. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 51.45. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 50.12, change for spring 8.1%. Tezos conjecture for April 2025. At the outset, cost at 50.12 rands. Excessive cost 51.35, while low cost 44.63. The found the middle value of cost 48.52. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 47.99, change for April 4.2%. Tezos cost expectation for May 2025. At the outset, cost at 47.99 rands. Excessive cost 57.65, while low cost 47.99. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 51.88. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 53.88, change for May 3%. Tezos figure for June 2025. Before all else, cost at 53.88 rands. Excessive cost 66.88, while low cost 53.88. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 59.29. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 62.50, change for June 16%. Tezos cost expectation for July 2025. Before all else, cost at 62.50 rands. Exorbitant cost 67.95, while low cost 59.06. The found the middle value of cost 63.25. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 63.50, change for July 16%. Tezos estimate for August 2025. First and foremost, cost at 63.50 rands. Exorbitant cost 69.04, while low cost 60 soon. The found the middle value of cost 64.27. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 64.52, change for August 16%. Tezos cost expectation for September 2025. At the outset cost at 64.52 rands. Excessive cost 69.84, while low cost 60.70. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 65.08. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 65.27, change for September 12%. Tezos conjecture for October 2025. At the outset cost at 65.27 rands. Excessive cost 69.86, while low cost 60.72. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 65.29. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 65.29, change for October 0%. Tezos cost expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at 65.29 rands. Exorbitant cost 65.29, while low cost 54.31. The found the middle value of cost 60.82. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 58.40, change for November 10.6%. Tezos conjecture for December 2025. At the outset cost at 58.40 rands. Excessive cost 72.48, while low cost 58.40. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 64.26. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 67.74, change for December 16%. Tezos cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at 67.74 rands. Exorbitant cost 73.64, while low cost 64,000. The found the middle value of cost 68.55. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 68.82, change for January 6%. Tezos gauge for February 2026. To start with cost at 68.82 rands. Exorbitant cost 74.81, while low cost 65.03. The found the middle value of cost 69.65. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 69.92, change for February 6%. Tezos cost expectation for walk 2026. To start with cost at 69.92 rands. Exorbitant cost 76.01, while low cost 66.07. The found the middle value of cost 70.76. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 71.04, change for spring 6%. Tezos estimate for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 71.04 rands. Exorbitant cost 75.27, while low cost 65.43. The found the middle value of cost 70.52. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 70.35, change for April 1%. Tezos cost expectation for May 2026. Before all else cost at 70.35 rands. Excessive cost 76.45, while low